Did you know that Python was named after a comedy show? That's right. The creator, Guido van Rossum, was a huge fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus. So, when he was looking for a name, he thought, why not? And here's another fun tidbit: Python is known for its readability. It's like the friendly neighborhood programming language that welcomes beginners with open arms. You can write code that looks almost like English. Ever heard of Python's batteries included philosophy? It means that Python comes with a ton of built-in modules and libraries, so you can do everything from web development to data analysis without having to search high and low for tools. Oh, and let's not forget about Python's versatility. It's used by everyone from web developers to data scientists, and even in artificial intelligence. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. So, whether you're coding a simple script or diving into machine learning, Python is here to make your journey fun and exciting.